Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Naabaahii from the Dead West set. It was black and white zenithally primed and I started with Satyr brown for the base colour of all of the skin. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. With the skin now base coated, I moved on to the trousers and the bandana with sand yellow. Getting the leather parts done now, I went over all of them along with the wooden parts with burnt umber. To make his hair different from the leather parts, I used German Camo black brown for it. Moving on to the highlights, I grabbed Sunny's skin tone and brought up all of the raised muscles, just leaving that darker tone in the recesses between the muscles. He has a few beads and gems around him. These will get done with blue-green. As with all of my current Zombicide minis, the base gets done with Plague Brown. To add a highlight to some of the brown parts and separate them out a bit, I used Cork brown over some of the edges and added some texture in. Adding a highlight to his trousers now, I went over the raised folds with pale yellow. The remaining brown parts now get a quick highlight with Noble Steed brown. For all of the metal parts, I went over them with plate armour. Adding a wash to the Mini, I went for an all-over wash of Archaic Sepia wash. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Naabaahii. I like how the skin came out. It has that olive tone that the artwork has, and it didn't push it too dark like it has done in the past. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe as you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.